heading home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
Here we go. I think I got everything up and running. Let's see. Where did we leave? Where did we leave? Where did we left off? Where did we left off? Yes, I almost finished the first step of setting up a server. And the next step is going to be to set up and install Jenkins on that server. And that part is going to be a very, very small part. And the reason I'm splitting this up into multiple articles or posts, whatever you want to call it, tutorials, is so that I can reuse this tutorial for other tutorials, if that makes sense. For example, setting up DigitalOcean Droplet server. Set up DigitalOcean Droplet server. Now that's a mouthful to say. Anyway, for example, set up DigitalOcean Droplet server. It can be reused for other examples, other projects. For example, let's say we like to figure out how to install Docker on a server, for example. Now, this is not related to Godot engine or Godot in general, but it's just an example. And wanting to write and type out how you would do that would require you to do all of this, set up a server to begin with. And that allows me to refer to this as a prerequisite in order to follow along. At least that's the idea. So the step after this is to install Jenkins, and that alone can be a standalone tutorial for people that may not necessarily want to set up a continuous integration and continuous deployment with Godot engine, which will be the third article. So if I am not completely mistaken, I think I'm about finished with this article. The last thing I did was to add this. I think I did this off stream. And this is how to change default ports. NB, make sure you complete this part as we will be disabling the default SSH port. When we activate UFV, if you quit before re-enabling SSH, you will no longer be able to SSH into the server. Yeah, this is a warning. Hopefully it's visible enough. What if I do this? Yeah, that looks better, right? We are going to be using the UFV firewall. Check the status and enable it if it isn't already so. Now, I couldn't possibly put this ahead of this, because even though it's not enabled, I think we can allow it and then enable it just to avoid issues. I don't know. I'm gonna leave this the way it is for now. We currently don't have any open ports. We want to make sure we have SSH enabled, but we will do so for a different port. We are going to set the port to, just as an example, how would I write that? This is my example. You can just set it to 13.0.22. It can be whatever. It can be 14.0.22. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, that's not the point. But I need to emphasize that it's your choice. In our example, I have decided to use port 13.0.22. Oh, but you can choose any port. Okay, never mind. I already addressed that. Let me undo a few times. There we go. Okay, let's leave it that the way it is. Now was that the right address? Well, let me take a look here. Port max range. I think that was the right one. I found it on Wiki. Or was that? Did I copy from a? It's here, right? Max port. What's the range? Range. That's the one, yeah. It's the same one. Yeah, that's where I got it from. The range for the end at least is there. Let's see. Pseudo UFP allowed, the TCP, that's fine. We want to change the default. We want to change the default. Keeping. Nah. How about this? Using the default port 22 is a bad idea as it is a common subject to hacking attacks. Hack attacks. Why not? All that remains now is to set the port to. Okay, I keep talking about it. Yeah, okay, so this is a different subject. Now we're gonna update the configuration. So this can be a header. This is... How big is this one? Is this 2 or 1? I think it's 2, right? Maybe 3. Change. Okay, it's 2. That means we will have to make this 3. So 1, 2, 3. Update SSH configuration file. All that remains now is set the port to 13.022 in SSH config. Open ssd_config. And then we have the command you have to enter to do so. Scroll down until you can find port 22 with the hashtag in front of it and change the port 13.022. Press Ctrl X to exit and type Y and press enter to save. Yes, with amazing animations, amazing GIFs that just helps you move along. I do realize it would be nice to know when you are at the beginning of a GIF, because if you were to just scroll up and down, you may be in the middle of a GIF animation and you wouldn't necessarily know where the beginning is, would you? Maybe? Yeah, it doesn't seem to reset when I scroll up and down. Well, that could be a plugin idea. Make GIFs reset, so when it's out of view, it's just gonna not play or get set to first frame. What is this? Ghost. Reset GIF out of view. I guess there isn't any. We'll take a look at that later. We're going to be adding, we're going to do some web development, probably for a day or two when we are done with this, because I'm going to set up the website. The website we have now is okay, but it's a pre-made template, and it doesn't fit for what I'm trying to do. This is boring. I mean, come on, look at this. We're open. These are featured articles, and then you have this one, which is Java, and then this one for Godot, which is the latest one, which is just a video, which I have written there. So we're gonna be changing this and making it better. So we have a lot of tags and such. I probably want to clean up some of this. DevOps related, GDScript related, GNU Linux related, and so on and so on. Info. So I have, for example, info articles, like how to easily generate git ignore. Easy way to download video from Pluralsight. Easy way to download music playlists from YouTube, you know, a lot of stuff. Then we have Java and prototyping. Prototyping is old posts are made for creating certain things. For example, the console window dropdown. I think I'm gonna delete that one. I don't think this should be a video. Yeah, no, I'm gonna delete this one. This should not be. I'm gonna do the cleaning up, but not now. This is not what we're going to do today. We're gonna fix this. So let's see. Are we done? I think we're done. Yeah. Set up DigitalOcean Droplet server, and I may do a maybe a video of this. We'll see. I'll probably do that. Why do I have 2 titles? There we go. Create new project. Load DigitalOcean. Hold on. Where are the links? There's supposed to be links here. Spring Aspect, DigitalOcean Droplets using Doctoral. Is this one? No. This one? I recently copied a link from some. Ah, here it is. We're open. It should be there. It is. There's a link. Let's add it in there, which is a referral link. Thank you. actually, it's just fine to just mention it's a referral link. Why not? Log into DigitalOcean and create a new project on from the top right? Yeah. Fill information. Skip to the second step unless you already know to use DigitalOcean. Create new droplet, log into DigitalOcean and create a new drop. Hold on, wait. Do you have 2 logins? Create new project. Aha. Now this is now a continuation. This was before the beginning, so let's just add a select create on the top right corner and choose droplets. Choose an image. Choose a plan, but yeah, why not? Create droplet. Yeah, let's keep the same simplistic feel of this. Just one line. Create. And what you're gonna create, which is the droplets. Well, droplets with an S. Yeah, they'll understand. It's a single droplet. Okay, so this is done. Should I publish this now or wait? I guess I could publish it now. Oh, why not? I didn't need an image though. DigitalOcean droplet. Let's make an image. Royalty-free images. Unsplash. There it is. Let's find the drop. There's a drop. Perfect. Can I just open this? Copy this. Let's make a quick image. I don't know what size we should use. Maybe you make it the HD. As web is fine. There we go. Let's do some magic. Let's get a DigitalOcean logo. Is this transparent? Yeah, it is. Excellent. Let's save this image. Don't wait for Godot. Pictures. Save. Next to BG. Let me find it. New layer. Let's see if we can make something. Oh my god. I think we should change the color to white. Did that change the color? Hold on. There we go. A white color, make it visible. Let's make it bigger. You know, it should be very visible, you know. It's a bit too blurry, maybe. Okay, undo. Then we're gonna do some stuff with the background. I don't know what yet, but something. Let's see what happens if I add some filters. How about maybe a blur? What happens if I add some blurring? You know, that's not too bad. It would be nice if I could have the droplet visible also. You know, maybe I'll make it a bit a little bigger. How about this? That's not too bad at all, actually. Yeah, I like this one. This is good. Let's redo that. Make it a nice big image. About there. Ooh, that looks good, actually. That was the center or not? It's not too bad. I could also put it in the middle. Yeah, it's fine in the middle. Let's add some strokes to make it more visible. How about 10? That might be too much. Set it to normal so it's solid. It's okay. 80% maybe. Okay, how about 60%? Yeah, that's better. And now let's make the fancy blur effect and see if that improves it or makes it worse. I don't know. You know, I have an idea. I have an idea. Yeah, let's try to do some. How about this one? Ah, that's good. That's good. Let's reduce the opacity a little bit. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. I mean, it's not too bad. Why not? It's fine. That looks fine. Set up a digital ocean droplet. I could have a name in this, couldn't I? Yeah, I should probably do that, right? In a way, it's like a thumbnail on YouTube. And since that is the case, it would be beneficial to also mention that it's about creating a droplet. Maybe I'll even add the Ubuntu logo there somewhere. Ubuntu logo. What do we get? Is this a transparent image or not? It certainly doesn't look transparent. I like that it says Ubuntu in the middle, because then people that wouldn't recognize it immediately kinda would. Open image in a new window. Let's try this one as well. Drag it in. See what we can make from this. Nah. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe a little faded. Yeah, it doesn't even have to be that visible, does it? I don't know. Oh my god. I have no idea what to do, Andrew. Hold on, wait. It looks familiar. Hello? Konnichiwa? Hello? Let's see. So we need what? The name. What are we making? We're making a droplet. Let's make it visible. Ah, cool. Let's see. So we increase the size to how about 60? Ah, it's too small. What font is DigitalOcean? I like the cleanness of that font. Ah, a little bigger. You know, let's find the font first. Could it be Calibri? I mean, Calibri is pretty clean, right? Yeah. How about 36? Yeah, you know, that's not too bad. Let's make it bigger. This is the theme of the entire article. It's about droplets. It's about creating a droplet, you know? Gotta create them all. So if I copy this... it's just the thumbnail for the article. I did not plan to spend so much time on this, but you know, it's fun to be creative sometimes. Paste it. No. Can I copy this? No. Cancel. Cancel. There we go. I would like to copy the FX. Isn't there a way to copy that? There, so how about I save it? New title, maybe. And then we go to this and select the style. C, big brain power. Here we go. It's good, but not at the same time. How about it? How about big letters only? And then we see if we can't move them around a little bit, you know, make it a little bit, you know, maybe it's too big now. Maybe it's too big now. Let me try this again, droplets. Because this is what we're making droplets. I mean, it's not too bad. I guess it's, you know, it's okay, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. I don't know about the Ubuntu logo though. The Sunny logo. To Ubuntu or not to Ubuntu? Now that's the question. You know, I don't know what to do. Actually, I have no idea what to do. I'm just improvising now. What happens if I change this to a, I don't know, color? Ooh, cool. You could hide it behind it, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Can I do a can I change? Can I change? Okay, this and then this. Now it should work, right? There you go. Let's see. I like the blue. But the... yeah, the blue I really like. It looks beautiful. I mean, this should not be the focus. It should be an awareness, yes, but it shouldn't be the focus. You know what? Screw that. We don't need that. Yeah, it looks way better without that. And the last piece of the puzzle. Guess what that is? And no, it's not to flip it. Undo. There we go. Control R. Couldn't you break the orange image up and frame it into the shape? Maybe. Let's see. I mean... Maybe the droplet itself? You know, maybe. If I saturation. Nah, that's too low. It's kind of cool. It's kind of, you know. I keep flipping the image. There we go. You know, that's not too bad. It's kind of weird, I guess, but. Okay, let's try a different. Let's take a step back. You know, the burn is not too bad either. Then it kind of mixes in. See if I can't swap between them quickly. Color dodge. Okay, let's see. Like a marble, yeah. This one looks like a marble. You know, this is fine, I think. I don't know. I have mixed feelings about using this. You know, maybe I'll just add this here. You know what? This is simplistic, right? Yeah, simple. Oh, how about there? Oh, that's not too bad. In the middle of the logo, yeah. See there? There we go. It's kind of hidden away there, but it's there. You know, if you really know, if you know Ubuntu, you know Ubuntu. Yeah, let's let's not try to spend too much time. Thumbnail droplet 1 PNG. Okay, let's go with that and see how it will show up when we add it. Where is the article? It's right here. It is. Yes. Yes, very subtle, but not too subtle. Music picture. Yes. Let's see. Set up DigitalOcean droplet server. Maybe I should use how to set up DigitalOcean, because that's how people would search. Like how to set up. You know, it'll resonate better with the search engines. Is what I'm trying to say. And a basic droplet server, I guess. I mean, I can just jump right into it. This is how to set up the DigitalOcean server. We are going to be setting up a DigitalOcean droplet server using Ubuntu 20.04 and securing and doing fundamental necessities, not necessities. We should be fundamental security measures. How do I phrase that? Fundamental and doing minimal security. You know what? Yeah, there we go. There we go. We're gonna set up the DigitalOcean server using Ubuntu 24.04. giving you a ready to use secure server. Maybe. The recipe for a simple secure server. Yeah, there we go. Haha. I got it. Okay, let's publish. Yeah, I mean, naming things is hard, okay? Like when you code, when you write. Also phrasing things. I guess you should add a tag to this. This is DevOps, right? I mean, it's also GNU Linux. But it's definitely more DevOps, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god. Excuse me. Nothing. Let's publish that. And move on to the second part. And that's set up with the Jenkins server. And that's a very small video. Video? Article. And video, if we make video. When we make video. How do I save this? There it is. Just do it. Just do it. Let's see. How does it look? It's hard to find now because I should probably feature it, shouldn't I? Let's do that. Feature this post. So now if I refresh, it should appear. There it is. Yeah, that looks good as a thumbnail, doesn't it? Looks better than this crap. Now this is just a thumbnail from the videos. And once we replace the website with the theme, it's going to be even better. Yeah, that looks good. Simple. We're going to be setting up a dribble ocean. No, Google, stop. I did not say anything. Yeah, this is fine. This is everything you would need in order to set up a server. And honestly, this is more for me than for anyone else. Because there's so many times I do this a lot. Like, a lot, because I like to prototype. I like to test things like on the fly. Like, I have an idea. Okay, let's try that out. And then it crashes and burns, or sometimes it's you learn something. Okay, next step, part 2. That is setting up Jenkins on Ubuntu 24.04. A clean. You know what? No. Let's just say setting up Jenkins. We'll rename this later. Yeah, DigitalOcean art drop. Let me think. What did we do? How did we do this? Let's log on to our server and take a look, shall we? Now the Jenkins is just a tool. So this part is not going to be big at all. It may be almost pointless to do, to be honest. If I were to just find Ubuntu, install Jenkins, you'll probably find what I needed. And here it is, isn't it? Install Jenkins. Did I do this? I don't remember if I did this. I feel like I didn't do this. Maybe I did. Yeah, no, it feels pointless for me to do this. Then again, I'm doing this for myself, so it's nice to have everything in one place. Without all the extra text, keep it simple. Do this, then do that, because of this reason, whatnot. Let's see. Also, why are they using systemctl when you have service? Like, I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Let's see. Opening firewall. Yeah, we have to do that. No! Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna make my own tutorial because this one sucks. Why would you ever suggest to open 8080? That's a test development port. It's not for... Whew. Okay. Yeah, now I have my reason to do this by myself. But yeah, we're gonna definitely base this on this tutorial for sure. Because I don't remember all this. How can anyone ever remember this? That's why we write tutorials and write it out. That was not my intention to download. I just wanted to take a look and see where it came from. Jenkins Debian packages. Here we go. Okay, so this is the info we got from here, right? Yeah, here's even the binder file, which is there. Although here they added a sudo in front of it, doing another command inside. We are sending the data inside this file. What other languages can you code in? I don't know, C#, Java, a little bit of Kotlin, probably more I can think of, Python, PHP if I really would need to, which I don't. But you know, actually I'll take that back. I don't want to even talk about the languages I don't want to work with. C#, Java, that's the one I want to work with, and JavaScript, which is the Godot engine language. And I'm not going to count, you know, HTML and CSS and blah blah, you know, all that stuff. Yeah. Let's see. I think I made a test project, didn't I? Yeah, this is the test project, I think. Yeah, that's the one. If I were to ping Godot engine.ev, we should get my IP, and we do 13.4, 13.4, 209, 209. Okay, so we have that up and running. Let me zoom in so we can take a look, shall we? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect to my server, which I made for this test, for this article, for this guide, for this tutorial. And the way we do that is by SSHing in with my username. I think it was Skodia, maybe. And then the IP address or the domain I set up, which is just Godot engine. Dev, and we have set up a port which is 13.022, and the password, well, I don't know, this one. Ah, that's the one. And this is pretty much a clean slate. We don't have anything on this except installing it and securing it. Speaking of which, I'm going to take a snapshot, so if I screw up, there we go. I named this initial setup of secure server. TypeScript. Does that count as language, TypeScript? That's the language I would like to work more in. I have been using JavaScript for my front-end project, but I really want to get into TypeScript because it supposedly makes things so much easier. I may look at that after we finish our website, which is, it's 90% done already. I just haven't deployed it and finished it up. So right now I'm just waiting for the backup to, not the backup, the snapshot to complete. And when it does, we will install Jenkins and note down what we're doing, minus all the, you know, extra text in between, the info. Who cares? You know? If people have a problem, they should be able to comment. We have one comment here, and that's just thank you. Okay, that's good. Is it done? Yes, it's done. Excellent. So now we can resume. Am I still here? Yeah. Okay, so we had to add the repository, which we got from the Jenkins page. So if we follow this tutorial here, we should be able to do everything we need. So step 1 is to add the key. Graphic design, that's really cool. Have you used Adobe XD? Because that's what I play around with when I'm designing the website. But that's the limit of my skills, which is just my own website. I've been working with Adobe XD to design and, you know, get the idea of how it's going to look and what's going to happen when you click buttons and stuff like that. And it's free, even though it's Adobe, which is kind of, it feels weird because I would expect them to suck your money out of your wallet. Photoshop. Oh, when you say graphic design, you mean actually graphic design. I was thinking website design, web design, I was thinking. But that's cool. Photoshop. Let's add this and see if it works. What's my password? Warning, app is deprecated. Okay, that's good to know. Should probably learn about that. I don't remember getting that message before though, huh? That's the same command, isn't it? Yes, same command. And did I just add it twice now? I feel like I added it twice. Maybe. Okay, let's copy this and find out how they're supposed to do it nowadays. Warning, apt key is depreciated. Manage keyring files. Okay. How do you do that? Well. Okay. That didn't help very much. At all. Apt key is deprecated. What's the command we use now? Maybe, you know, No, I need this tutorial because it's going to be part of automating Godot engine. And I would rather not create a tutorial that depends on you going somewhere else to do something and then come back again. It's kind of pointless, you know? Unless the tutorial itself is about Jenkins, in which case it could work. Maybe, you know, that's the way it's going to be, isn't it? It would require that you have Jenkins installed somewhere. I don't know. Oh, the GPG key to use to sign our packages have been updated. Definitely important. What? Ask Ubuntu. There you go. Okay, sign by. How do I do that? Okay. How do I undo a key? Let's see. Ubuntu undo apt key add. Apt key remove, I'm guessing. Let's see. Sudo apt key list. What do we have? We have. What do we have? I don't know. Jenkins? Yeah, this one. I want to remove this. Okay, it does go there by default, so that is correct. It's just not. But the command itself is deprecated. Okay. What's the command? What's the ID? Where is this from? Is it this one? No. Date expires. That's strange. What? Okay, how about this? Cat at apt trusted GPG. What do? Oh my god. Let's clear that. Where? This doesn't exist. What the hell? Huh. Apt key list. We only have. It's this one we want to delete, but is it this? No, it can't be. What the hell? There's no ID for this that I can. Really? So I can just delete this one? But is this, yeah, this is this, right? Yeah. So it's enough to just delete this then. apt, it's apt trusted, apt trusted d. Yeah. Okay, let's remove that. Worst case scenario, I break the server, and you know that's fine, no problem. Not the problem at all. So if I now do this, now it's gone. Oh shit, it's still there. Why is it still there? What did I delete? Oh, I see. I deleted the. Okay, so the way this works. This is the title for this content. Why would they format this that way? Okay, let me just undo this. We're gonna load the snapshot. This is why I take snapshots, because we mess things up. Let's restore. Yeah, let's restore. Forget nothing happened. It's currently restoring. Let's see, let's find the music. Heavy music. There we go. Ah, I get a mail now in 5 minutes. I'm gonna take about 5-minute break, maybe 10 minutes, maybe. So please excuse me, okay? There we go. Okay, let's see. Where did we leave? Where did we leave off? Where did we left off? What? That's weird when I say it loud. Let's see. Okay, the music has looped. Find something else. How about some swing? Yes. Okay, the snapshot should now have been loaded, so I should be able to reconnect again. So let's do it the right way this time, shall we? Let's find the right way to add the keys. Huh. Yeah, I think this is... Is this right? For non-ASCII type keys. Well, what's the difference? This... let's look at the Jenkins a little bit and see what this says. Okay, this is a key, right? This is a key ring. Huh. I feel like this isn't right. Manage keyring files and trusted GPG instead. CF key 8. Okay. What is F key 8? Yeah, it's the key management utility. What's replacing this? This is okay. Binary open PGP format. Okay. Where's the info about what's replacing this? Am I missing it? There should be information on it. What the hell? Apparently it doesn't say anything about that. Well, that's great. Enter what is replacing this. Yeah, tell me exactly. Okay, download the key, right? Yeah, that's something we are doing, right? And then verify type of file. What? No. Create a keyring. GPG, no default keyring. Okay. Holy crap. A huge security risk, yeah. So if you have keyring files in there, you can move them as is. Okay, how about this? Jenkins GPG add. Ah, this one? No. No, that's not it. The problem is I don't really understand how. Okay, we output a file. Where is it? Here, we output a file, right? We download this file. And the output of this file we added using sudo apt key, right? And that's how it works. We're piping it in, right? So the result of this, we add there. So we still need this. Let's see if we can't write a new script. Let's test a little bit. Let's learn some shell scripting or bash scripting, whatever we're gonna call this. Let's first, am I in my home folder? Yeah, I am. Let's just try running this, see what happens. Okay, so you are printing, you're getting the text of the contents of that key. You're not downloading the key, apparently. So what does the output mean? What does it mean with output and a hyphen? What does that mean? Ubuntu, what does hyphen mean? I've noticed it from time to time. For example, when I want to log in, if I'm a root user and I will log in as a user, I would use this command, su hyphen username. Now, I don't know why the hyphen is there. I don't understand it, so I'm trying to figure that out. That's not what I'm looking for. What does a standalone hyphen? Maybe that will help. Yeah, here we go. What girls standalone hyphen mean? Tell me. Automatic determines the resume transfer based on input and output files. It will just resume the download from the last position from Anchor. What? Well, anyhow, the result of all of this seems to be printing this. So what does Q do? Is there a command like help beget maybe? Info beget. Ooh, cool. Command line argument. How do I select this? Can I? Oh shit. Oh my god. I don't know how to do this. How do I choose something? Invoking, here we go. Option. Yeah, what options do we have? What options are available? Can you just show me the option? Okay, we have URL format. I'm looking specifically for the Q. What is Q? What does a Q do? Okay, no. Here we go. Q quiet. Ah, okay. Turns off the output. What does that even mean? Okay, let me try run this without the Q and see what the difference is. Let's learn something. Okay, so okay, so it removes this part. Okay, cool. Huh. Okay, let's go back to the code. We now know that. Well, I don't know what this does, but I assume this is the values you want to add into this, right? So if I were to run this command, would that work? GDP drmor? Also, how do I know if it's a ASCII type or not? I assume it is. I mean, most is, isn't it? Okay, let's. Oh, excuse me, I hope I didn't blow anyone's ears. I tried to mute, but I couldn't find it. For non-ASCII type keys in this form. This one looks the easiest one. Sudo T and then the path. What? Let's look at the Jenkins again. So what's replacing this? What's the... Hold on, where is it? it should be in here, right? So I should add inside this. Or here? Jeez. Trusted GDP. Yes, I should make a file, right? I should make a file where I store this. But why are you using key rings? This is so confusing. So it's inside this folder. Hold on. What if I take a look at what's inside here? What's inside here? Oh, okay. That's not what I wanted. Well, that's certainly not friendly, is it? So is that considered ASCII though, or not ASCII? No, not ASCII. ASCII? Yeah, not ASCII. What does that even mean? Non-ASCII, like special characters, right? Right. Okay, these are non-ASCII, right? Okay, so those examples will be non-ASCII, but we are getting... Yeah, these are non-ASCII, right? Oh, okay, I understand. So this is ASCII. Okay, learning. We're learning a lot today. So, ASCII. ASCII. Oh, don't take that out of context. Okay, can't believe I said that. Go back to home. Okay, so this is the output, right? Let's see if you can make this command ourselves, shall we? So we have the replacement for this, and then we want this. Archive? Ah, let's try it. If it... What the hell? Copy already. There it is. Let's see. We're gonna get the contents of this file. We're gonna run gpg there more. And we're gonna add some values somewhere. Is that in the result of the command goes in there? Yeah, the result of the command goes into user share keyring, whatever repository path we want to use. So I'm just gonna name this Jenkins, I guess. Archive. Why archive though? Let's hold on. Okay. Okay. We done that. Well, I know it's ASCII, so we don't need to do that. Yeah. So about this, what is? Can this be? This can be anything, right? It doesn't matter what the name is, as long as it's there. We'll update it whatever the content is, right? There more option unpacks input from open PGB ASCII armor. Okay, the armor. Oh, okay, I get it now. Not there more. Very good. Yeah, my repository can be anything, right? It doesn't have to be Well, I guess it's fine. Jenkins archive keyring. Let's try this and see what happens. Permission denied. I guess I'll have to run sudo, won't I? Permission denied, because we are using a pipe now, so I need to use some fancy stuff. Let me not do that. Sudo sh. Well, give me a second. Sh. If I remember this correctly, like this, right? I think that's the way I'm supposed to do it, right? Wasn't there an example? Oh, here it is. Sh. Command. Okay, so I did it a little wrong. I've been messing around with Jenkins lately, and that's why I had this format in my mind. So sh. C. Big C. And then you use echo. Because you're running the command of the contents of the echo, right? What? No, it's a command inside there. Yeah, screw the echo. Vget. Let's see. Cannot open wgetqo. No such file. Ooh. Okay, let's see. What commands am I doing wrong now? Probably a lot. Wait. Why do I need sudo anyway? Hold on. Didn't I answer this question? I feel like I've answered this before. Check if command exists. No, maybe not. Maybe I should probably do that. Multiple sudo commands in one line. Ubuntu. What time is it? Okay, 20 more. A little more time. On the bright side, once I make this tutorial, you know, I will never have to remember this again. Yeah, no. This is what I'm thinking, right? Yeah, that should be right. Maybe? So the problem is you cannot open wgetqo for some reason. Let me copy this. I hate this. Stop copying nothing. There you go. Okay, so it's not that. Then it has to be the order of things. Maybe this is not the right thing to use. Let's try this one instead and see if we can't make this work. Let's name the Jenkins. Okay, now something happened. The question is what? What happened? Let me save this. I don't lose this command, just in case. There we go. Okay. So the question is now: do we have that file? Does it exist, and can we update from it? User share key rings. We have Jenkins there. Okay, it looks good, I think. Right? Yeah. Let's assume it works. Let's follow the rest of the tutorial. Let's append the daemon package repository address to the service sources list. Let's try this and see. Debian package in sources list. Okay. Oh, I did it. Well, great. Sudo apt update. Let's see what happens. Yeah. No, it's not working. Let's see. Remove that file. Let's see what else we can try. So this is not right. De-armor. Maybe de-armor is not correct. Is it? What if I remove that? What happens? It looks better now. I feel like it looks better. I don't know. Is it? That looks better, right? I feel like that looks better. Let's see. Crap. God damn it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I have to add that one. GPG. Jenkins. GPG. No. This is the old stuff. That's the same error we have. I feel like we're so close to something. Never mind. Okay, so it was more correct the way it was before then. Now it's less correct. So let me remove Jenkins and try one more time. So we do want to de-armor whatever value we're getting. De-armor. So then we get the file as we would expect, right? But now I'm wondering, there was a few examples. Where is it? Not there. Where's here? Here they have this thing. No, not there. Excuse me. Here. Oh, it's using curl. Oh. Also, I'm not getting this. I'm getting a key. I guess that's just the name of the key then, maybe. Let's remove Jenkins again, try one more time. So instead of using this, let's try changing it up a little bit. White is fine. O is fine, I think. Yeah, it's fine. And then I'll add this around it. I don't know if that's an example. It's an example? GPG, the armor, sudo t. Yeah, no, I felt like it's not right. This is the key. Maybe going to convert key to GPG. Is anything about the key here? Oh. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. Yeah, that's not what I want to remove. Jenkins. File. Well, I guess I have to download it first then. Let's do that. How did I do this? Test key, okay. Okay, file, test key. So now it says PGP, public key block, public key. Yeah, so this is ASCII armored apparently. Yeah, okay. So this command should work, right? For all intents and purposes. With, you know, minus that. Let's try it. Let's do it exactly the way they do it here. It's the same though. Should be the same. Hello, Fashion Killer. Sudo. Wait. No, I'm using sudo t. User share keyrings. User share. So this should work. I mean, it seems to work. And it does what we expect it to do. It creates a file. But it doesn't seem like it's activated somehow. Do I need to activate it? Do I need to turn it on? How do we activate this? How do we start it? What I expect now is when I do a sudo app update, I expect this to be, you know, updated. But it tells us you cannot find the signature for the Jenkins release. Wait. I am working on setting up Jenkins, but I'm trying to find the appropriate way of doing so, because all the tutorials online right now for setting up Jenkins, which is a tool, by the way, to automate deployment. So whenever I make a change to, for example, Castle Balloonybeard, it will automatically change online, so anyone that plays it can refresh and reload the game, and they will have the update automatically without me having to do anything. I just commit to GitHub. So, but we need Jenkins for that, and I'm currently writing down what we need to do in order to set up Jenkins. But you cannot find how you do that with the new way you're supposed to do it. This is the old way. This is the deprecated. But we need to do it the new way, so I need to find out how. Yeah, no. CI/CD. Okay, how about this? I did this. I did add it as a key, I think, didn't I? I mean, it's a key ring. Okay, how about this? I mean, how to use key ring? This is like deep Ubuntu stuff. Like, Jesus. This is stuff people shouldn't have to worry about ever. Normal people. But we have to. Oof. Yeah, how to activate? GPG, how to use keyring. This is pretty dry stuff though. I hope I'll figure this out so I never have to do this again, ever. No default keyring, keyring. Oh my god. Hold on. Yeah, all keys will be stored in the user share keyrings folder. You can use the key. You can use those keys when you add your repo with the sign by option to your source. How do I do that? No. No, really? Okay, hold on. We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Jenkins, I have, yes, I have already done it. I'm done with this. But I'm writing a tutorial and I need to make sure it's up to date because all the ones that exist now are out of date. Yeah, it's already running. I have it running both the Petao client and Castle Bloomberg. If I were to go to game ivsk.dev/petao/client, even you can see this screen. It's not gonna work because there's no server yet. But this is the client, and this client will update every time I commit a change to the master branch or main branch, whatever you call it. That way anyone can test it out and I don't have to worry about deploying it, it just happens. And this is the test environment, our test domain. Unlike this one, which is not the test domain. This is a temporary front end, but this is going to be the website. And we're also going to create a game.evanscroll.com, which will be the where I can find the games. But I'm going to embed those games somewhere else. So this is going to be embedded somewhere. This is not going to be the page you go to. This game is going to be embedded somewhere else, so we can control a bit more the cache and whatnot. Let's see. Yeah, I almost had this now. I almost know what to do now. But now I think I lost. There it is. Okay. I need to keep that part. So we need to add not this, but the other one with the sign by. So this is wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to cd apt sources list d, and here I'm gonna take a look at Jenkins list. Yeah, so this is wrong right now. So I'm going to remove that. And we're gonna recreate this command. But I think this is going to work now. And that, oh, I'm gonna be so happy. Come on, there you go. No, stop running. Why are we running? Okay, let me copy it again and go to a new line and make sure it doesn't copy the new line. There you go. Okay, so now we have the command. We're gonna alter this command. This is wrong now. It's gonna be echo, and then we're gonna add a signed by inside this, and then I will add the path. I don't know. Maybe me. I wouldn't be surprised if it was me. Yeah, so this part is what I'm missing. Signed by. I'm hoping. User share keyrings Jenkins archive keyring GPG. Yes, if this works, I'm going to be happy, and we can take a break for today and resume tomorrow. Let's see. That was right? User share keyrings, Jenkins archive keyring, Let's make sure. Jenkins archive keyring. Yes, this is correct. So let me copy this command so we have this alongside with the other command, which is new. Both commands which are brand new. I'm going to replace the old bad tutorials which are outdated and deprecated with a new and amazing tutorial by me. Let's see. Now comes the moment of truth. Update. It works! It works! Yes! Let me say this quickly before something happens and I lose the notes. These are the two commands that are new. Brand new. You cannot find them online anymore. It's new technology. Amazing commands, finally. Okay, the language isn't shell. I feel like it's not. I mean, it's a bash in a way. Whatever. Hooray! It's back! Oh God, I have to check now. I have 0 drops in frame rate apparently, so I assume it should work, right? That's almost unbelievable. 0% drop frames? Oh. But we solved it now. We have the two commands that are new. So I'm going to add the... yeah, I'm gonna write it all, but I'm gonna wait until later because it took a bit longer than expected today. So next time I will finish this, which is pretty much already done. There's not much to do with this. All you have to do is install it and set it up initially. And usually with recommended settings, unless you have an explicit reason to change or not do that. So if you were to look at the tutorials from the DigitalOcean, this is old and this is old. This is the same. So if I were to install sudo apt install Jenkins, it should hopefully work. Please work, yes. But I'm happy I've learned something today. Like, this is really valuable. Oh my god, what's this? We don't have Java. We need Java. Okay, so the step before this is install Java. Let me note that down. In fact, I'm gonna add that at the top of everything. Install Java first. Install Jenkins. What's this? And then sudo apt install Jenkins. And that's pretty much it. There's not much more. There's not much more to it, I think. Starting Jenkins, but you know, it should start with default, shouldn't it? I guess we can sell Java. Open JDK. What's adopt JDK? There's a simple command for it now, like a really simple command. Here we go. No, that's not it. This is not it. I refuse to believe that's it. There should be a better way now. No version, right? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Sudo apt install. Let's use 11. Open JDK 11 JRA E headless. Well, this is the version I choose because this is the latest version Jenkins support. Jenkins Java support. Just make sure. Let me add that there. Yeah, there it is. let me add that as a link. Perfect. There we go. Ah, excellent. Okay, but I have to go now, unfortunately. As much as I would like to code more, I have to spend time with my beautiful girlfriend. You know, and live life for a little bit. Outside of this room. As much as I love living here. Yes, I have Fashion Killer. Yes, I have. And we will probably get to that. I'm thinking of setting up Docker for our front end, actually. You haven't seen it yet, but maybe if we finish tomorrow or next time we do the stream with the tutorials, which is just setting up Jenkins and setting up Godot engine, continuous integration and deployment, which is pretty easy. It's way easier than you would think. The part of setting this part, not this part, sorry. This part here, setting up DigitalOcean Droplet server, is way more difficult than setting up Jenkins and setting up Godot on Jenkins. Like, this is way long compared to the other one. So next time we're gonna hopefully finish the Jenkins one and the Godot one, and then we'll move on with the website, because I need to fix the website. And I know there's a lot between game development right now, because I have a lot of small things I need to get done now. As much as I both love and hate it, I would like to focus more on the game itself, Petao, as we have here. I mean, but this is an essential part we have to do. And I will also have to work a little bit on the backend of Petao, the game, which is Java. So I'm probably going to spend 1 or 2 days setting up properly the backend API, which is our access point to the database, and possibly other advanced features we later may add, such as user authentication. Then I would probably forward requests from users to log in to that server to verify, you know, all the backend stuff. So we don't have to mix that in Godot. So until then, have a nice day and bye bye.